dalawa ni Martin. Kayong hiwalay na couple na nakita ko very friendly sa isa't isa. Ano sekreto ng dalawa?
Well, Manay, that took quite a while, no? Ilang taon rin yan. So it's a lot of, syempre, kailangan muna mahilom ang mga tama ba, hilom? Ang pinagdaanan. And nung na-realize ko na parang okay na, no, na nag-heal na nga. Nung nag-decide naman ako to be friends, serious naman talaga ako doon, Manay. I opted to be friends. And why? Because of Robin and Ram. I felt that we will have a better relationship kung magiging okay kami at magiging friends kami. Yung mga ibang bagay kasi hindi na yan mababalik. So kailangan i-accept na lang and we have to move forward. So now that medyo matagal-tagal na rin kaming friends, di ba? I think, and I also have to give it to Martin, I always say it works both ways. Respect comes. Respect is a big factor, no? So we want to respect each other as parents and as friends, and of course as partners also in performing. So I think that's why nagiging successful kami in that aspect. And you can't deny naman na talaga namang yung chemistry naman talaga namin ni Martin is undeniable. Ako rin minsan nagugulat na hindi kami nag-uusap, pero alam mo, madami kaming mga bagay-bagay na naiisip. Because I think Martin and I are really meant to be partners on stage. Ayan.
Parang hirap siya how do I put this?
Accept?
Hindi naman accept, parang how were you able to reach that point? Kasi talagang ganda ng relationship niyo talaga.
Ay nako, that is a lot of mind conditioning. I have to be honest, ha? Siyempre, that's very painful. So it's a lot of mind conditioning and acceptance. And yun na nga, you have to get to a level na kailangan sobra ka ng strong to accept it. I said it before, it took a lot of years. Because again, ayokong balikan yung pain eh. Pero it has to be mentioned para alam rin ng mga tao na hindi siya ganun kadali. For those who are probably going through the same thing I went through, hindi siya madali. Pero possible, di ba? Because it's totally up to you. Rather than magkaaway kami, ayoko naman na parati kami magkaaway. For the sake of our children who are still very young then. Mas maganda na mas okay kami. And again, it's not easy. If you think it's easy, those emotions are never easy. So, you have to condition yourself and you have to accept it. And then again, you have to be strong enough to admit it to yourself. That is part of the acceptance. And, kasi kung accept mo, tapos kalahati lang naman pala, hindi pa rin yun mag-work, diba? When you say you are okay, you have to be 100% okay with the situation. Kasi kung konting bagay lang i-accept mo, babalik ka ulit sa beginning, may pain na naman yun, you're gonna go through a lot of things again. So, that is part of the acceptance. And I'm happy. Some people question me, bakit daw ganon? Ang point ko naman is, it is my choice, it is by choice, and it is my choice. Because, syempre, I also want my kids to enjoy their brother, and gusto ko kasi lumaki rin sila as a family. And for me kasi, mas less, ayoko kasi ng galit. Ayoko na may galit sa katawan. Hindi ako nagagalit, ha. Siyempre, nagagalit rin ako. Pero yung galit kasi sa akin only lasts for a while. Tapos pag medyo na-realize ko na, yun pala yun, natatanggal niya naman yung galit ko, di ba? So, again, it is really just part of accepting the bigger picture, which is, we want, not just me, we want everyone to be all right and harmonious. I think the better word is harmony na.